Welcome back to Technicalomor YouTube channel. Today we're looking at something that every pet owner is going to love. A smart, all-in-one grooming solution that not only takes care of your furry friend but also keeps your home clean and hair-free. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's find out. This is an all-in-one cordless pet grooming vacuum kit, and honestly, it's a total game changer for dog and cat owners. It's not just about grooming, it's about making the entire experience easier, cleaner, quieter, and way more convenient. Let's start with what makes this kit stand out: the built-in vacuum function. The grooming kit comes with a complete set of accessories including a grooming brush, deshading brush, clipper, and a crevice tool. Whether you're detangling fur, reducing shading, trimming thick coats, or cleaning around corners and furnitures, this kit has you covered from every age. Even if you have a large or long-haired dog, you'll easily get multiple sessions per charge. And if you're someone whose pets get nervous around noisy devices, this kit has another big advantage. It's ultra quiet thanks to its brushless motor. The operating noise level stays at just 60 decibels. That's lower than a standard conversation. So your dog or cat stays calm and relaxed during the entire process. It also features adjustable suction power via a small knob. So if you have got more sensitive pet, you can tone it down and still get efficient grooming without stressing them out. One of the most useful features is a real-time battery level display. A clear digital indicator shows exactly how much charge is left, so you can plan your grooming session without worrying about sudden interruptions. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest practical advantages: the 3-liter extra large dustbin. This isn't just a small cup that fills up in 5 minutes. It is designed for multiple households, meaning you can groom a large dog, a cat, maybe even both, without having to stop and empty the bin. That's a huge time saver and makes grooming way more efficient. The grooming brush is perfect for everyday detangling and smoothing. The deshading brush really digs in and pulls out all the undercoat that usually ends up on your couch. The clipper is ideal for trimming thicker areas or long hair, and the crevice tool helps clean out pet hair from your sofa, bed, or any narrow corner. It's not just grooming kit, it's a part vacuum, part trimmer, part cleaning tool. And of course, for peace of mind, the product comes with a 2-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, you are fully covered. It's always reassuring to know that a company stands behind their product, especially when it's something you will use regularly. Now, here's the real kicker. If you are someone who frequently visits grooming salons and spends money every month just to keep your pet clean, this groom kit will easily pay for itself in no time. You're not just buying a gadget, you're investing in a stress-free, professional-level grooming experience at home. So, tired of chasing your dog around the house with a noisy clipper, or just tired of dealing with the mess after grooming? This cordless grooming vacuum is exactly what you need. I will drop a link to this product in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Honestly, I think every pet owner should have one. It makes grooming smoother, faster, and so much cleaner. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with a fellow pet lover. And let me know in the comments what's the biggest challenge you have faced when grooming your pet. I would love to hear your stories. And of course, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming smart gadget reviews. From June 26 to June 28, Oneisall participated in the Summer Feast Music Festival. Go to the offline store to check in and experience the products, and you can receive the small gifts they prepared. Thanks for watching Technicalomor YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one with another device that makes life smarter, easier, and lot more efficient. Until then, stay clean and keep your pets happy. Bye bye.